Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Weedle from Pokemon. Let's get started at the top left side of our page with the nose. So we're going to be drawing an oval. So we start at the top center, work our way around to the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now on the top left, I want to add a smaller oval for highlight. Now we're going to draw a large circle for the head tucked in behind the nose. So we start over on the left side. Start by curving up and over towards the top. We're going to leave a gap along the top. We're going to draw in the cone. From here we're going to curve down and then back up. Now let's take these ends and draw two straight angle lines coming up towards the center point. So we'll start on the left, we're going to angle up and in towards the top. Now we're going to pull that down towards the right side. Now we're going to move to the right side of the cone and continue the circle going around and then back up underneath the nose. So start out here, work our way around to the bottom of the circle, and then back up underneath the nose. Now from the nose we're going to step up and draw in a circle for the left eye. And at the top we're going to draw an even smaller circle for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom area in black. Now let's move over towards the right and we're going to come down slightly and draw the same size circle for the right eye. Add that highlight circle along the top, and then we'll fill the bottom in black. Now we're going to be drawing a series of smaller circles tucked in behind each other in a curve over towards the tail. So let's start over on the left side at the bottom of the head. We'll round out the first circle, and then pull that back up. Let's draw the second one. So we're going to start at the bottom, curve around, and then back up. Let's draw a slightly smaller one here. Starting at the bottom, curve down, and back in. Now we're going to start to curve this way. So we start at the very bottom of this circle, curve down, around, and then in. Now we're going to move over towards the right, again drawing another circle tucked in, and then we're going to start to pull that up. So we're going to move up towards the side, and these circles are going to get a little bit smaller. Now we're going to move up towards the side of this circle and draw the last one. Now we're going to draw the arms on the inside of these circles. So starting over on the right, we're going to draw a small circle. Now we're going to move down and then continue these circles all the way across along each of the body parts. As we come down here, we're going to move this down a little bit further. Start to move it up along the edge of the body. And up here, we're just going to leave this one blank. Now we're going to draw the outer arm tucked in behind the body. So starting out here, we draw a half circle. Curving around, down here, along the bottom. Now these are going to start to get pushed up underneath the body. So we're going to move in between, come down, and then one more in between these two circles. Let's finish off with the tail. Starting at the very top of this circle, curve out, over towards the right, and then up. Now from here, I'm just going to curve this around and then back in behind the last circle. Now at the base, we're going to draw a half circle, coming around. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Weedle from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.